Now, with Rise with SAP and S4HANA Cloud Private Edition, a big question is making a lot of people nervous. And the question is SAP Basis dying? The simple answer is no. But the world version of Basis is shrinking, and the new version of Basis is becoming more strategic. So in this video, let's break down what Basis used to be, what SAP now handles under RISE contract, what still stays with customers and partners, and most importantly, how you can stay relevant and grow as an SAP Basis consultant. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arun and I make videos about various SAP topics. If you are an SAP Basis consultant or if you are planning to build a career in Basis, this video is extremely important because the role is changing right in front of us. And honestly, this is not bad news. It is just uncomfortable news for people who want Basis to remain exactly the same as it was 10 years ago. Because the truth is, in the RISE era, companies still need strong technical SAP people, but not only for the traditional activities. They now need consultants who can coordinate with SAP, understand cloud identity, security, connectivity, compliance, planning, and hybrid integration. That is the future. Let us first talk about what SAP Basis used to be. Traditionally, Basis was the technical backbone of the SAP landscape. A strong Basis team would handle system installations, system copies, client copies, refreshes, kernel upgrades, support pack upgrades, transport management, job monitoring, performance tuning, high availability, disaster recovery planning, and many other activities like this. If something technically went wrong, Basis was the first team everyone looked at. And that made sense because Basis owned the technical health of the SAP systems. Their mission was simple: keep the system stable, secure, available, and fast so that business operations were not affected. In many companies, Basis consultants were deeply hands-on. They logged into operating systems, checked work processes, monitored HANA database, tuned performance, coordinated maintenance weekends, handled outages, and kept the entire landscape under control. That was the classic Basis world. Now let us talk about the disruption. With RISE with SAP, many traditional technical activities are now delivered by SAP as part of the managed service model. The SAP roles and responsibilities document makes this very clear. Many standard SAP Basis activities are now being handled by SAP themselves. So if you are working inside SAP labs, then yes, a lot of classic Basis work still exists for you, but it is being executed behind the scenes by SAP managed teams. But if you are a customer side or partner side Basis consultant, your role starts shifting. You are no longer always the person directly performing every system installation, refresh, client copy, or deep infrastructure task yourself. That is why many Basis consultants feel that the old hands-on workload is reducing. And honestly, they are not wrong. Very often, under the RISE contract, SAP performs those activities, while you plan them, request them, validate prerequisites, coordinate downtime, align teams, manage risks, and make sure the business is ready. But that does not mean the customer no longer needs Basis knowledge. It means the customer needs Basis knowledge in a different form. These are some of the traditional SAP Basis tasks that are previously managed by the customers but are now being taken care of by SAP themselves. Activities like infrastructure and operating system operations, startup and shutdown, backups and monitoring, performance troubleshooting, kernel patching, installation, and many other such activities. That means the customer side Basis consultant becomes the technical owner, orchestrator, integrator, and security coordinator. For example, customer is responsible for IaaS trust setup, single sign-on design, identity federation decisions, IPS synchronization planning, user lifecycle alignment, certificate exchanges, testing, and cutover coordination. On most projects, that work still needs to be handled or at least strongly coordinated by the customer or partner technical team. The same is true for hybrid connectivity. For example, Cloud Connector is installed by SAP, but the connectivity must be configured by the customer to connect SAP BTP with backend systems like S4HANA and also SAP Cloud applications like SuccessFactors, Fieldglass, Concur, Ariba, etc. This will ensure that the customer can expose selected resources securely, which makes it a key building block for BTP to S4HANA to other SAP cloud application connectivity in hybrid landscapes. And there is transport governance, release coordination, technical impact assessment, downtime planning, business communication, audit readiness, cyber controls, access design alignment, and making sure SAP service requests are raised correctly and followed through in the appropriate manner. That is not low value work, that is actually high value work. So what does the new basis consultant look like in the RISE era? The new basis consultant is no longer just a system administrator. The new basis consultant is a hybrid technical operations architect. This person understands SAP landscapes but also knows identity, SSO, provisioning, certificates, cloud connectivity, service management, release planning, and most importantly, stakeholder coordination. In other words, the role is moving from doing everything manually to managing services intelligently, from server-focused work to platform-focused work, from only technical execution to technical governance and orchestration, from isolated basis knowledge to basis plus security plus cloud plus integration. And I would say this actually makes the role more powerful because the consultants who understands both SAP technical foundations and cloud era architecture becomes very difficult to replace. So if you are a basis consultant watching this, here is where you should invest your time. First, learn SAP Cloud Identity Services properly. Understand what is IaaS, IPS, trust configuration, user federation, conditional authentication flows, and how SAP Cloud applications integrate with enterprise identity providers. Second, learn SSO and certificate handling. Learn how to set up SSO using IaaS and how to federate IaaS with organizations' identity providers like Okta and Entra ID. Learn how to set up SNC-based single sign-on for SAP GUI. Third, learn SAP Cloud Connector and BTP connectivity. Cloud Connector is central for secure hybrid connectivity between SAP BTP and backend systems. And this is exactly the kind of practical skill that becomes more important as customers build extensions and integrations around S4HANA. Fourth, get strong in coordination and planning. The RISE operating model depends heavily on service requests, approvals, scheduling, and clearly defined responsibilities between SAP and customer teams, which means basis consultants must become very strong in planning technical activities like refreshes, copies, upgrades, and cutovers well in advance. Fifth, build awareness in cybersecurity and compliance. Activities like identity, access, certificates, connectivity, audit readiness, segregation of duties, and monitoring are no longer someone else's job. They are part of the technical control layer around modern SAP landscapes. Learn to collectively work with the cybersecurity team on these activities. So let me say this very clearly. SAP Basis is not dying. Lazy Basis is dying, or static Basis is dying. But adaptive, cloud-aware, security-aware, integration-aware Basis is absolutely growing. If your entire identity was built only around OS access, system installations, and manual technical executions, then yes, RISE will feel threatening. But if you evolve into someone who understands how SAP systems, SAP cloud services, identity, certificates, single sign-on, transport, security, connectivity, and the coordination part, then your value goes up, not down. So finally, to summarize, the future SAP Basis consultant is not just a person who keeps the lights on. It is a person who helps the business navigate a managed, hybrid, cloud-connected SAP world. And that is a very exciting future. If you believe SAP Basis is evolving and not dying, then this is exactly the time to level up. Thank you for watching my video. If you found this helpful, please share it with your friends and also like and subscribe. I will see you soon in another video.